Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. What is good? So this video is about the 20 trade sample. You get? So let's jump straight into it. No time to waste. Let's do it. Now this is my journal here. This is my journal, but the thing here with the journal is that my journal is not in a way that I can calculate it from down. Like, I don't know how to set it like that. You understand? I really need to learn it from an expert, somebody that really knows how to use Notion very well. I don't know how to use Notion up to that level, but I got everything down on the book, every data that I needed. I got down on this book, and I'm going to put a screenshot by the side here, so you're going to follow along as I'm reading it. So now this stat is really going to amaze you. It's going to amaze you. It's crazy. I'm going to put it like that. There are some numbers I got here that just made me think, wow. So you think you know your trading, you understand, but when you journal your trading and like check your stats, you find out different data that you were not even thinking about. So because of this reason, I'm going to say everybody should journal their trade. It's really going to help you, point blank period. So let's start. Now I didn't take 20 trades, I took 21 trades. Why? Because at the end of the week, the week before last, it was Friday, the last trade I took made it 21. You guys, so this is it. Now let's start with wins and losses. So I won 6 trades and lost 15 trades. It's crazy. Out of 21 trades, I won 6 and lost 20 and lost 15. Crazy. Very low win rate. That's around like a 25% win rate. And to the next, the R multiple. The wins, I was able to make 29.2 R. For the losses, 15 R minus 15 R. Now the P&L is 14.2. Now, like, let's stop for a minute and think about this thing. So I had 6 wins, 15 losses, but the 6 wins, I was able to make 29 R and lost 15 R out of that 29 R, and I was able to keep a P&L of 14.2 R. Crazy. In 20 trades. Now if I'm risking 1% per trade, I was gonna make 14.2%. Is that not crazy? See, the power of risk to reward, the power of risk management. You understand? So the reason for this is because I add to trades. You understand? It's because I add to my trades. That's the reason why this win rate is this high. Sorry, why the R multiple is this high. I just constructed a way to come up with to add to my trades, and that's what I did. And for sure, this is like the best thing in the whole system. This is like the best thing in the whole system. The way I manage the risk. This is the best thing. So now let's go forward. For buys, 3 buys, and I took 3 buys, and I took in total of 13 buys, I think, or 12 buys. I took 3 buys, 3 wins. I had 3 wins for buys and 9 losses. For sales, I had 3 wins and 6 losses. Now let's go to the strategy, because I trade 2 strategies right now. I trade London break, and I also trade support and resistance. The reason is this: I understand that the market trends and the market consolidates. Now in a time when the market is consolidating, or the market is meeting a level, like a strong level, I want to be selling. I want to take a trade from that level. Let's put it like that. So that is the reason why I came up with 2 strategies, and I'm not changing anytime soon. You understand? The only reason I'm going to change is if my stat shows and implies that I should change it. That's the only time I'm going to change it. So I trade 2 strategies at the moment. So some people will be telling me, why are you trading 2 strategies? It doesn't make sense to do this. Just do what's best for you. That's all I'm going to say. Do what is best for you. Find out that if you do what's best for you, you're going to move forward. Finish. do what's best for you. So for the London break, I won just 1 trade and lost 8. Total of 9 trades. For the support and resistance, I won 5 trades and lost 7. Total of 12 trades. That's crazy. And this is the reason why I did something about the London break strategy. You get? I did something about the both of them, but for the London break, I did something in particular about it. And I'm going to tell you what I did and the mistake I've also made just within 1 week. So let's go. Let's move to the pairs. Now for the pairs, gold. I traded gold 13 times, USD card 8 times. I bought gold 9 times, USD card 3 times. I sold gold 4 times, USD card 5 times. Wins in gold was 4, USD card 2 times. Loss in gold was 9, USD card 6 times. Support and resistance. Support and resistance wins was 3, USD card 2 times. Support and resistance loss was 4, USD card 5 times. Break and retest wins was 1 for the strategy, USD card 0. Break and retest wins loss was 5, USD card 2. For gold was 5, USD card 2. That's crazy. Those are crazy numbers. Crazy number. And see, there's more data I can get from my journal, but these are just the few that I have now, and this few have really helped me a lot. Like, it has helped me a lot in the way I'm thinking about the whole thing right now. It has really changed everything. So how many times did price stop me out and go in my way? For London break, 4 out of 8 losses. 4 times it stopped me out and went in my direction. So if it didn't stop me out, then I would have won 4 trades out of 8 losses for the London break. Now the London break is not really too much of a problem. It's still correct in the direction. It's still correct in the direction. The only problem here is that the entry has a little bit of an issue. This has always been the problem with my London break strategy. So the support and resistance, 0 out of 7 times. You get, so 0 out of 7 times out of the 7 losses. What this means is that if he stopped me out, he goes straight against me. Straight, it does not turn back. Now, how many times did price go? For 1:2, then SL. For London break, 4 out of 8 times. Crazy. That's if I had my take profit for 1:2, I would have even made more money, because I just keep my take profit at 1:3. I would have made more money in this with this London break. Crazy. Support and resistance, 0 out of 7 times. So this support and resistance is so strict. This support and resistance is like one of the best things I've done to my trading. I'm telling you, he has a very high win rate. He does has very high win rate, and I'm going to tweak it to a point where it can give me a very good win rate. And he also have a high risk to reward. If I'm able to see, if I hold trades with support and resistance for like 2 days, I can be making like 10R if I'm really correct in the direction. I can be making like 10R. Why? Because the price has reached a level it cannot break. It's going to reverse from there, and when it reverses from there, the journey is going to be long. So that's what it is. So this is what I am tweaking. This is what I'm tweaking in my trading. Exactly what I'm tweaking. And now for my entries, because the break and retest entry is like, because my goal for this 20 trade sample, if you do not know, is to get a higher win rate. I'm trying to increase my probability of winning trades. This is what I am doing. I understand trading to a very high level that most times I don't even try to explain it, because the people you explain it to sometimes do not understand it, especially here online. People come with a lot of opinions. Meanwhile, in their own trading, they are not making profit. But you always have something to tell somebody on how he or she is going to make money. That is crazy, my honest opinion. Meanwhile, you are not making money. So most times I don't like to explain, because there's really no need to explain. I just trade, I just do my best here. My journey is to document this trade online. That's the reason why I'm doing this thing, because I can really trade offline, and there will be no like, nobody's going to call me and say, okay, I can do these things offline. But my journey, my goal is to document this thing online. That's what I'm doing, and I am never going to stop. I know I'm helping a lot of people by this. So this is what I'm tweaking in my London break strategy. Normally I'm going to enter from the London break itself, but now I am using supply and demand for the entry. So after the break of London high, or the either up or down, sells or buys, as the case may be, after the break, I am waiting for it to come back and tap into a supply for me to join the trend. This way, I've backtested it a couple of times, and it has a higher win rate. And first of all, guys, if you are enjoying this video by any means, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It is really going to help this channel to grow. Like and subscribe, and also drop your comment down below. Drop a comment down below if there's anything you want to say about this thing. There's no need giving me an opinion, because I don't take opinions from this online space. I barely take an opinion from here. So it's what it is. So for the London break, that is what I'm going to be doing. And now for the support and resistance, so there are a few things I've added to it. I think just 2 things. The first one is this: when price is approaching my level where I'm going to take a trade from, I want to see weakness in the trend. I want to see weakness in the trend. Then the next thing I want to see in the level is I want to see a bearish engulfing of my 5 minutes time frame. I want to see a bearish engulfing, and that is going to be enough for me to take a trade. And now this is the mistake I made last week. Last week I went and how would I even put it? I went and back tested supply and demand strategy, and the person I got the strategy from was FX Jordan. Now FX Jordan is a very strong person. I do not even know how to classify that guy. That guy is battling cancer now and still being the strongest person I have seen online. And now this is no type story this is no story where somebody tell you in 1920 something somebody was battling cancer and he was the strongest person online. Was the strongest person at the time and doing this kind of thing. This one is live. We are watching it live here. That boy is battling cancer, still trading profitably. Not just that, he is not moved by it. Bro, I've understood life. Bro, God bless that boy. God bless that boy and gives him strength to be who he's supposed to be. Because I'm seeing a lot of potential in the boy, and bro is just, bro, that boy is strong. He's strong. You will not understand. He's very, very strong. But yeah, the supply and demand, the way I look at my supply and demand is really from him. I just went to watch a lot of his video and I really love the way he trades. You understand? Not just loving the way he trades. His strategy has a high win rate. You understand? That is something I want. That's what I'm attracted to right now. So I'm kind of like trying to do what he like, trying to combine my knowledge and his own and try to come up with a better way to trade this market. So I took the supply and demand and I just traded every supply and demand I saw. You understand? And it ended in losses. I lost about 4 trades from that last week alone. That was crazy. But this week I've come up with just one, and that is what I have said I'm going to do. So that's the mistake I made, and that is just really crazy. But this week we're going to do our best. Our best is what we're going to do. You know the vibe. And also last week I said I was going to be taking 2 trades. But this week, after a little bit of research I've done, I think I'm just going to stick with my 1 trade. 1 trade is what I'm going to be doing. 1 trade. And even if I take 2 trades any day, it's going to be very hard, very, very rare. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick with my 1 trade that I've always been doing. So guys, this is the end of the video. I am going to catch you guys in the next one. Let's see how it goes. The next sample I'm taking is about 30 trades. I'm not going for the next 20. I'm going for 30 trades now. So let's see how it's going to be. I think it's going to be like it's a journey. It's really crazy. I love the fact that you don't know what's going to happen in the future, but you're still here hoping that things are going to be fine. I love the fact about life. I love that fact about life. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you gain any value from this video. Let us do it. Peace.